Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to Lunch Break with Shel. My name is Shel Anderson and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator located in Canada. Today we are going to be having a play with the Nuts and Bolts stamp set, cute little robot set, and we are going to be making a fun fold. Today it's going to be a pop-up card, hopefully. It's been a long time since I did one of these, so we are going to get started and see if I can remember how to do this. So, we have the base for our card, and we need to glue this shut because the front of it is like a book fold. Okay, so we need to glue this panel shut. So I'm just going to grab some Tombow and we will fold this over and just give that a wee press. All right, while that is drying, I'm just going to set that to the side. I'm going to bring in the base to the card. Now, I made a mistake when I did this, but I'm still going to be able to use it. So, this is an 8x8 piece of paper. I was supposed to score it at 4 and 4. And I don't know what I was thinking. I scored it corner to corner. Okay, so, yeah, I goofed. So basically you're going to score it down the middle and across the middle. And then this panel here, you're going to score from corner to corner. Just this one. And then you're going to cut out the opposite corner. So this, wherever this score is here, you're going to cut the opposite corner. Okay, and when you fold this, this one gets folded as a mountain fold. Okay. All right, let's bring this back in, see if this is dry. Yep, we're good. All right, so how this is going to work is this is all going to fold up inside. Okay, so we need to put this into the inside of the card so that when it unfolds, when it unfolds, okay, so if we had that glued there, and if we had that glued there, when it folds up, it's invisible, but when it unfolds, it's going to pop out. Okay, so that's what we're going to do, but before we do that, we're going to decorate it. All right, I just need to double check how this is going to look. Okay, so we have a whole bunch of pieces for the inside of the card. This is where we're going to write our greeting. This we're going to stamp on just to decorate it a little bit. And I've taken a square of DSP and I've slid it down the middle so that we can decorate this fold. So let's do that. And this is the host paper from the 2020-2021 annual catalog. Can't remember what it's called. Party. Can't remember the name of it. I'm sorry. It escapes me right now. It's beautiful paper. I've used it a lot. So there we have our little pop-up, okay? And then we're just going to put a white panel on here. Now this is not supposed to be scored, but because we're putting a panel on top of it, I wasn't going to cut another piece because I'm going to cover that up. And for all that's showing, that little tiny bit up there, I'm okay with that. All right, now we were going to stamp on this little guy just to put, I guess I have him right here. We'll put this little guy on the inside just to have a little something happening in there. And, oops, I got ink on that already. We'll just pop him on there. And I'm going to bring in a marker. Somewhere I have, let's use gray granite. That'd be something different instead of smoky slate. Oops, I should get that off the mat, or I will have Stampin' Blends bleeding through onto my mat. That would not be good. And I'm just going to give this a quick little color. Ain't he cute? I think he's sweet. Love this set. There we have it. And just to be different, I'm going to use Cajun Craze. Oops, wrong end. On this to make it look like rusty metal. And also to make it look more like a flower too. And we'll do the inside. How cute is that? All right, let's get some adhesive on this and make sure we put it in our card correctly. So that's going to go like that. So we want this going this way. Just like that. Pretty cool. All right, before we put that on the inside of our card, we're going to work on the outside of our card. So I have this little wee strip of DSP, and that is going to go on this Granny Apple Green mat. Like so. And then this is going to go down the spine of the Bookfold part of this card. Right in there. And then this piece of DSP, you could use different colors of different patterns of DSP. I just went with the colors in my paper. So mine are Granny Apple Green, Poppy Parade, and the paper. And I chose to just stay with one color. You can use multiple colors if you want, multiple patterns. It's whatever makes you happy. There we go. All right, so the outside's done. Now we can put our card together on the inside. So I am going to put some Tombow on this panel. And we will put that on the inside of our card. All right, and then this one will get put in place here. So we'll get some adhesive on the back side of this. Once I get this together, you'll never see that I had scored it incorrectly. All right, now we'll just slide that into place. And then when you fold it up, you can't see anything. Pretty cool, eh? But then it pops open and stands up like that. Cool, cool. All right, the only thing we have left to do is our little guy for the outside of our card. So let's get him inked up, and we will stamp him. Oh, that's not good. I got shadows everywhere. Let's flip that over and try that again. Oh, I caught the edges. That's what's happening. Let's see if I can get this cleaned up. And we'll try this again. Paint the same light gray granite for this guy. Or maybe it's a girl. Got a little heart on there anyway. They're feeling the love, whoever they are. I think I'll color the eyes on this one too, just to give it a little something something. Oops, almost went outside the line there. Got a little crazy. All right, I'm going to use a light magenta madness and do this heart. I just thought of something. I should not have done that, because my card base is real red. I should have used red. Not too smart, kind of just messed up there, but we'll just go over the top and see what happens. I think we're okay. Once that alcohol dissipates a little bit, I think we'll do just fine. All right, let me get these Stampin' blends put away. Now we're going to layer this little guy up on this Granny Apple Green mat, and that's going to be the focal image for the front of our card. Oh yes, I wanted to do his eyes. Let's do them in blue. I'm going to do this guy too. He's got bigger eyes, but I'm going to do them in blue anyway. Just to give him a little bit of character. All right, now let's close up our card, and we can put this guy on the front. Isn't he cute? You could use dimensionals if you so desired. I am going to put him right flat down, like so. And I really wish I had a thought before I put down, glued this together, and I could have put some ribbon on here. That would have been nice. Let's see, that is not the right color. see what I can find here. Maybe I can find a nice, small, flat. How about this granny apple green? If I put a glue dot on the back side, let's just give it a try. If we don't like it, I can always take it off. I haven't glued it down yet. I just think it needs a little something on the front there. Oh, I'm struggling. I'm all thumbs. All right, there we go. Let's give this a snip and see what we think. I think it looks fine. It adds just a little something to it. And we will just grab 3 glue dots, 1, 2, 3, and I'll put 1 under there, one under there, and the last one I'm going to slide under here. Super cute. Now I'm going to grab my embellishments. If I can get to them like that. If you could see my craft room. I'm looking for maybe those. Maybe those. I'm just going through here, see what I think may coordinate here. All right, I've got 3 choices. I have all the trimmings, holiday rhinestones, and red rhinestones. Let's pull these out, have a look. Oh, I like those ones. I think we're going to use these this time. Something different. All right, I'm going to put a big one, a little one, and a little one. Just like that. And that, my friends, is our pop-up card. From the front, it looks like a bookfold. And then the surprise is on the inside. And you can write your message here. We've got this little guy here. And you can stand it up and on display like so. Isn't that cute? Super cute. All right, that's it for today. I thank you so very much for joining me. And you can find me here Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays for Lunch Break with Shel at noon Central Standard Time. Bye-bye for now.